Ganito lang ako mag-fry ng chicken liver, guys. Favorite yan ng aking busing. Yung madam. At saka yun, guys. Lagyan natin ng dark sauce kasi gusto nila yung maitim. Yan. Perfect. Crispy in outside, soft in inside. Lagay natin yung ring onions. Marami. Masarap yan, guys. Lalo na pag yung onions. Ring onions. Yung ginamit ko, guys, na cooking oil ay coconut cooking oil. Hayaan natin maluto yung onion. Ito, guys, yung coconut cooking oil na ginagamit ko. Yan po yung ginagamit ko sa pagluluto. Hayaan pa natin maging crispy. Yan, guys, luto na, hanguin na natin. Ito na, guys. Yan, guys. Luto na, guys. Lutuin. Try tayo ng broccoli. Garlic at saka onion. Lagyan natin, guys, ng oyster sauce. Kunti lang, guys. And a bit of water para matunaw yung oyster sauce. Yan, guys. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung broccoli. Haluin. Yan, luto na, guys. Simple lang siya. Tapos, mamaya, magagarnishan ko siya ng fried onions para crispy siya sa taas. Alright. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, Susana Bartolata Mix Vlog. Ayan. Yummy ulam, simple. Yun lang. Chicken liver plus broccoli.